I do know that you have a lot of opinions on tech trends, obviously. I want to know what are your thoughts on adoption or embrace of agile development by top-down management?
What I think is really interesting about, we started off by saying, why should DevOps not be in your job title, right? And DevOps, I've written a little bit about this, where DevOps is really this kind of counter-cyclical reaction to what we saw with how Agile became less of a way of working and more of like a thing that you bought, right? You can go and get Agile consultants, you can go and get Scrum certified, you can do all this stuff. And originally, Agile was about, hey, how do we become more responsive to the needs of our customers, right? As a pan away from the development methodologies about Agile, about very top-down, heavy sort of heavy-handed management. And I think DevOps is almost the reaction to what happened with Agile, right? So it was more about collaboration. It's more about you as a developer owning more of the process and being able to make changes to things. And that's why I think we've kind of come full circle. And you see places doing DevOps centers of excellence or cloud centers of excellence, right? Where you might have a DevOps person in your organization, or you might be that DevOps person, and your job is indistinguishable from what it was before, because now you're just getting a ticket to go in and click something in a cloud console, or to rack a server, but now we're using different words for it. And in a lot of cases, you see those DevOps functions being subsumed by products, where now there's a lot of companies out there selling DevOps tooling, or DevOps lifecycle management, or this and that and the other. And that kind of cycle of like, hey, this is something new and exciting, and then people start making money off of it, I guess, and turning it into products. That's been happening for the past 20, 25 years, really, in technology. So I have some thoughts about where that goes next, but I think that's one of the reasons that you should kind of not eschew saying like, oh, DevOps is my job, but really think about it in terms of, well, what is DevOps really? How does this relate to the organization?